Welcome, 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 guys. It's your girl, Georgette, bringing another one to you. Yes, and if you're new to me, guys, my name is Georgette, and welcome to my channel for the first time. All my videos, you can check them out. They're all about inspiring you and motivating you. And so at the end, not right now, please smash the subscribe in for your girl. And also, I ask you to put your notifications on so you can hear when I bring you all these goodies and share with a friend. Also, I like to interact with you, and YouTube likes interaction. So leave a comment in the comment box below. Leave a comment for your girl. So today I want to talk about how, we tend to chase a lot of things in our lives. And as you're chasing it, it's running away from you. Yeah? If your puppy, your cat, or whatever little animals you have at home, and they get out off the leash, and you're running. I've seen people in the road as I go jogging. They're like running after their puppies or dogs or, cats or whatever animals they have for their pets. But as you run behind that, that is running away from you. And it's the same thing in life. We must not chase things. We must not chase people. We must not chase outcomes. You don't have to know the outcome. We don't chase, we attract. When I first heard that sound like foreign language to me. But as I started with the law of attraction, and I started practicing the law of attraction, I started to get it more and more. That the more you are chasing something, the more it's running away from you. So what I have learned is that you have to set the intention, and you got to have good intentions. Yeah, is it wealth you're going after? Then what value are you giving to others? As you're on your journey, how are you helping others? Are you just chasing because you just want this money, you're just seeking after wealth, you just want to accomplish your goals for you and your family to live this lavish lifestyle? Is that the intention? And that's what I have learned. As I have set some really, really big goals for myself, and I work diligently on my goals daily, because you have to put action in. Action is the fuel. Like you have a fireplace, it's getting cooler now. Some places where I live, it's just beautiful. But some places are getting ready for the fireplace. You can have the wood, you can have the match, you can have the lighter, you can have everything. But if you do not put the fuel in, the fire won't get the blaze. You won't get that blazing fire. And so I have learned how to attract whatever it is that I want in my life. Is it love that you're seeking? You know what I learned? That you yourself, you have to first love yourself. That's one. That's the major, major, major thing in everything that we do in this life. Is that we have to first be comfortable in our skin and love ourselves. So if you're not a very confident person, if you're lacking self-confidence, then you have to work on that. And I talk always about the mirror, how powerful the mirror is. You don't need to go to a psychiatrist or psychologist. You don't need to go to anyone. You need to utilize the mirror and first build your self-confidence and then start to build that self-love. Because if it is love that a lot of women and men as well are seeking after this amazing woman or after this amazing man, and yet they have very low self-esteem, no self-confidence, nothing, no self-love. They do not love themselves because perhaps they were abused as a child, or some of our parents are very old school, didn't get a lot of hugs. Because I always tell my daughters that love is showing, love is feeling. Love is not just a word that I say to you, oh, I love you, girls. Love is feeling, love is being, showing. And because I have love, I can give them love. I tell you, they're annoyed with me all the time because I would tickle them. I would, big grown young ladies, and I would pass their room and tickle their bottom. Love is feeling, love is touching. So is it love you're looking for in your life? I ask you to please listen to me. I have a lot of videos, I think I'll leave them popping up, about working on yourself in the mirror. First, appreciate yourself. Tell yourself each day, look in your eyes in the mirror, eyeball yourself, and say, I love you. It doesn't matter how busy you are. Find time to love upon yourself. Say, I love you, Georgette. Call your name out. I love you, Georgette Thurston. I love you. And do that every day, 10 times every morning. I do that every morning, and I do that every evening. So the very thing that you want to hear someone say, oh, I love you so much. Say those very words. Oh, I love you so much, Georgette. Oh, I love you so much, Georgette. Oh, I love you so much, Georgette. That's what you want to hear from someone. And so I've learned how to attract things and people in my life and not to chase it. So that's the first step, is love. And that is first loving yourself. After really loving and appreciating yourself, then you can spread yourself, then you can give love to family members, to persons on the street side, persons who are in need of aid that you can assist. If you have nothing, you can give a word of encouragement, because you have so much love within you now that you have to give others. You are sympathetic with others. You may see homeless persons. I speak about this, I believe, on my Thanksgiving Day video. You can check it out. What's in your turkey? And I said how there's a lady that is homeless, and a lady, she's literally living on the beach. And when I see that, the love that is within me, I every night I'm grateful for my bed, I'm grateful for my roof, and I made sure she had something very hot to eat. I packed it and I put it in a cooler, and I went and I made sure she had that to eat. And so when you have love within you, that's the time you can then give love. And as you radiate love and as you show love, guess what you are doing? You are attracting back love to you guys. That's how you do it. That's it. I learned that however you see others as well, that's what you see in yourself. So if you're hating on others, it's because you don't have self-love. So remember that. And I try to, persons that may have done me wrong, what I do, I see them in a great light. I say, oh, that person is wonderful and doing awesome things in their lives. Because that's what I'm doing in my life. I didn't understand it, but it was broken down to me. I believe it was Abraham Hicks. However you see that person, that's just how the person is, and that's a reflection of yourself, what you see in yourself. I'm like, can't be so. And then they broke it down to me. Also, is it money? Everybody wants more money, more money, more money. Is it money that you want in your life? Then you have to learn how to attract money. You cannot carry yourself around looking as if you have none. The bank account is showing that you have none. The bills are piling up. But I can tell you this much. You don't chase, you attract. Money is energy. So you have to radiate that energy. You have to be in that frequency throughout the day. I learned that money is high energy. Love, gratitude, and money, the highest frequency. And so throughout the day, if it's money, then you have to be happy, be joyful. I spoke about when spending money. The little that you have, when you're spending it, be joyful in spending it, because money is in circulation. Don't hold on so tight. As you spend it at the grocery store, as you spend it to the gas station, be joyful and be happy, because the little that you have, at least you're receiving the service for it. So you're giving the money away, but you're receiving the service. Yeah, I went yesterday. Was it yesterday? I went to do grocery shopping, and I filled my tank up with gas. And as I was spending the money, I had so many other things going on that I forgot. But then when I was done, I gave my credit card. And when I reached in the car, I said, "Oh my gosh, I didn't say I released the funds." And so as I came back and I said, "Oh, I released those funds with joy and happiness to bless the world as it comes back to me." Because money is in circulation. It has to go out of your hand to return back. And I spoke about how to always have some monies on you. It could be $10, $20 bills. Keep that in your wallet always. We tend to chase money. Oh, I have to get 10 jobs. Oh, I have to work overtime. We attract to us that which we are. And I had to learn that. Your home have to be nice and clean and smell good, because it's all energy. Yeah? So don't go chasing anymore. Don't go chasing after love. Don't go chasing after people. You be that person. You want the fine looking, handsome fella, beautiful lady, smell good, in good shape, takes care of themselves. You be that person first. You be that fine fella or that fine lady. Take care of yourself. Groom yourself. And you will attract that very person to you. Yeah? So guys, I hope I gave you value today. It's your girl, Georgette. I'm going to leave a free gift for you. And I'm going to also leave the #1 prescription of how to attract really quick and fast to you whatever it is that you desire. Love, happiness, money, whatever it is. So grab your free gift and check out the prescription to manifest anything in your life fast. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please smash it in right now. Leave a comment in the box. What is it that you want to attract to yourself right now as the holidays are upon us? What is it you really want to track as it's getting cool? Is it the fine fellow, the fine lady? Then I told you how to do it, yeah? So it's your girl, Georgette, sending you, as always, a whole lot of love and light. Check out the videos and keep watching. They're going to be popping up. Bye now. Mwah.